at the check-in counter. Good morning. I'm flying to London today. Can I check in here for flight 227?
Good morning. Yes, of course. May I see your passport and ticket, please?
Sure. Here they are.
Thank you. Are you checking in any luggage today?
Yes, I have this suitcase and one carry-on.
Okay, please place the suitcase on the scale. Perfect. It's under 23 kilograms, so no extra fees. Did you pack any liquids, batteries, or sharp objects inside?
No, I made sure everything meets the airline rules.
Excellent. Would you like a window or aisle seat?
Aisle seat, please. I like to stretch my legs.
Got it. You're checked in for flight 227. Here's your boarding pass. The gate is B14, and boarding starts at 9:45 a.m.
Thank you. How long does it take to walk to the gate?
About 10 minutes. You'll go through security first, then follow the signs to gate B14.
Great, thanks for your help.
You're welcome. Have a pleasant flight.
At the security checkpoint.
Good morning. Please place your phone, laptop, and any liquids in the tray.
Sure. Do I need to take off my shoes?
Yes, shoes, belt, and jacket, please. Also empty your pockets.
Okay, all done. Here's my backpack and laptop.
Thank you. Please walk through the metal detector. All clear. You can collect your items now.
Thank you. That was quick.
You're welcome. Don't forget your passport and boarding pass.
Oh, thank you. I almost left them behind.
At the boarding gate.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. We'll begin boarding flight 227 to London shortly. Please have your passports and boarding passes ready.
Hi, excuse me. When will boarding begin for Group 3?
Group 3 will board in about 5 minutes, right after families and priority passengers.
Great, thank you. And can I take my backpack and a small bag on board?
Yes, that's fine. Just make sure both fit under the seat or in the overhead bin.
Perfect, thanks.
No problem. Enjoy your flight.
During boarding.
Welcome aboard. May I see your boarding pass?
Sure, it's 16C.
Great. That's an aisle seat on the right-hand side. You can place your bag in the overhead compartment.
Thanks. Is this flight full today?
Yes, it's quite full, but we should depart on time.
That's good to hear. How long is the flight?
About 7 hours. We'll be serving lunch shortly after takeoff.
Perfect. Thank you. Mid-flight.
Would you like something to drink?
Yes. A cup of coffee, please. Do you have milk and sugar?
Of course. Here you go.
Thank you. This is my first international flight, so I'm a bit nervous.
Don't worry. You'll do great. Just relax and enjoy the trip.
I will. Thanks for being so kind. After landing. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to London Heathrow Airport. The local time is 2:15 p.m. Please remain seated until the seatbelt sign is turned off. Finally here. That was a smooth flight.
Thank you for flying with us. We hope you had a pleasant journey.
I did. Thank you. Have a great day.
You too. Enjoy your stay in London.